In this lesson, we're going to learn about the Student Toolbar. And what this is it is a toolbar that will show up at the top of the student screen that gives the student some capabilities to communicate and interface with their teacher and other students. So let's take a look real quick at what the Student Toolbar looks like, and how you turn it on and off is you can see right here in the right next to the help request is this Student Toolbar show and hide Student Toolbar icon. So I'm going to click that, and when it's highlighted like that, that means the toolbar is on. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on this student, and when I do that, you can see here at the very top is this Student Toolbar icon. And if I were to now go back here and turn this off and then go back, you'll notice now that the toolbar is missing. I'm going to go back over here and turn it back on, and now it's back again. Okay, so there are some things in here that that are really useful. Like for instance, this icon right here, the help icon. So if I were to go ahead and request help and say, Mr. Bracken, need help, and I hit OK, what's going to happen is you'll notice now up here in my help requests, there is a little number there. And when I click on that, it tells me, okay, Scott Bracken needs help. So it's a really useful way of getting help if students need it. Okay, so let's go back over here to the student to take a look at the Student Toolbar. Some things about this that maybe aren't as useful. This is giving them an indicator of all the different management tools you might have enacted within Tutor, like internet filters, application filters. You have you can do printing things, and those are things that that will be covered in a more advanced class. But one thing it does have is this chat request, and I find, and in using NetSupport tool, I find that this can be distracting at times, and because you have students who are chatting with you for no apparent reason is what I find. But of course it's up to you and how you use this within your classroom. It may be very useful. But if I go ahead and initiate a chat, then you'll notice here that the chat has been initiated by the student, but it pops up on the student screen, or excuse me, the teacher screen. So I have found that that go ahead, and it's totally up to you and how you're going to use it, but I have found that turning that toolbar off is easier and less distracting for the students. You get more screen space. So my recommendation is that you turn that off.